Okay, the tones went off for Chief 2, Tower 14, and Engine 14 to respond to a building fire. Hey, we've got Chief 2 now, District Chief 2, Tower 14, and Engine 14 responding to a building fire. There we've got a 2016 Ford F-250, a 2012 Pierce Quantum 95-foot mid-mount platform, and a 2006 Pierce Enforcer. The Pierce Enforcer, this used to be the old Engine 17 and the old Engine 8. The regular Engine 14 and 2010 Pierce Quantum is right over there getting fixed. So, now we got oh, federal queue. Oh, can't believe I was cost out a grand. Had the rescue been called, I would have had my first Grand Salami. Okay, the tones went off for Rescue 14 to respond to a working fire. At least that's what I think. We got Rescue 14 responding to a building fire / working fire. Here we've got a 2015 Freightliner M2 Braun. Oh, we got Rescue 14 returning from a building fire, working fire. Looks like they must have been canceled along the way. Here we've got a 2015 Freightliner M2 Braun.